Welcome to my channel Study Engine. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more study videos. Today we will discuss important full forms. Let's start. Acronym full form: CA Chartered Accountant, CAA Citizenship Amendment Act, CCA City Compensatory Allowance, CAD Computer Aided Design, CAG Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAIIB Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers, CAGR Compound Annual Growth Rate, CAT Common Admission Test, CBC Complete Blood Count, CBI Central Bureau of Investigation or Central Bank of India, CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, CC Cubic Capacity or Cubic Centimeter or Carbon Copy, CCIL Clearing Corporation of India Limited, CCTV Closed Circuit Television, CD Compact Disc, CDMA Code Division Multiple Access, CEO Chief Executive Officer, CFA Chartered Financial Analyst, CFL Compact Fluorescent Lamp, CFT Complement Fixation Test, CFO Chief Financial Officer, CGL Combined Graduate Level, CGPA Cumulative Grade Point Average, CHF Congestive Heart Failure, CIA Central Intelligence Agency, CIBIL Credit Information Bureau India Limited, CIF Customer Information File, CID Crime Investigation Department, CII Confederation of Indian Industry, CISF Central Industrial Security Force, CMA Credit Monitoring Analysis, CMO Chief Medical Officer, CNC Computerized Numerical Control, CNG Compressed Natural Gas, COBOL Common Business Oriented Language, COO Chief Operating Officer, COPD Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease, COVID-19 Coronavirus Disease of 2019, CPCB Central Pollution Control Board, CPM Cost per Mile, CPO Central Police Organization, CPR Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, CPM Cost per Mile, CPO Central Police Organization, CPR Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, CPT Common Proficiency Test, CPU Central Processing Unit, CRISIL Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, CRM Customer Relationship Management, CRP C-reactive protein, CRPF Central Reserve Police Force, CRR Cash Reserve Ratio, CRT Cathode Ray Tube, CS Company Secretary or Computer Science, CSC Common Service Center, CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. CSS, Cascading Style Seat. CST, Central Sales Tax or Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus or Central Standard Time. CTBT, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. CTC, Cost to Company. CTO, Chief Technology Officer. CTS, Check Truncation System or Clear to Send. CV, Curriculum Vitae. CVA, Cerebral Vascular Accident or Cerebrovascular Accident. Computer, Common Operating Machine purposely used for technological and educational research. DC, Data Compression or Direct Current. DCB, Development Credit Bank. DEAF, Depositor Education and Awareness Fund. DCA, Diploma in Computer Application. DGP, Director General of Police. DP, Display Picture or Data Processing. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHT, Dihydrotestosterone. DIG, Deputy Inspector General. DIY, Do It Yourself. DJ, Disc Jockey. DJD, Degenerative Joint Disease. DLF, Delhi Land and Finance. DNA, Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNB, Diplomat of National Board. DNS, Domain Name System. DPI, Dots per inch. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. DSC, Digital Signature Certificate. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line. DSLR, Digital Single Lens Reflex. DSP, Deputy Superintendent of Police. DST, Department of Science and Technology. DTP, Desktop Publishing or Distributed Transaction Processing. DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation. DVD, Digital Video Disc or Digital Versatile Disc. DS Group, Dharmpal Satyapal Group. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.